One day I'm gonna be like Oprah with the giveaways. You get a palette. You get a palette. You get a palette. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. This is a giveaway video. So, if you follow me on Instagram and you follow my stories, I said with BoxyCharm, sometimes they give me extra palettes, like 2 or 3 palettes. And I actually have a lot of palettes already, or what I consider to be a lot. So I said in the next box, if they send palettes, I'm going to do a giveaway. And they sent 2. And they sent 2. And they sent 2. So this video is going to include the instructions on how to enter for the giveaway. It's not going to be hard. It's not going to be anything crazy like go here and press this and comment here and like that. We're not doing all that. We're going to keep it short and sweet. We're going to keep it easy peasy. So let's get into what's in the box and then the giveaway. It's probably in your best interest as well to follow me on Instagram. I do most of my makeup videos over there. I don't do makeup videos on YouTube much, but the walkthrough of this face will also be on Instagram. Also, information about where I get cool stuff from, especially Black and brown owned businesses. Follow me there, Conversations with Candace. So, inside my box, the 3 things that I'm going to keep are the Deborah Lippmann nail polish set. It comes with a pink and a red. The red is Fire on the Horizon and pink is Can't Stop the Feeling. I'm pretty sure that's how they go. But it's just a little set. I'm going to keep these. I don't paint my nails. I'm doing press-ons right now, but I do paint my toes. So I'm going to keep these. These are great to have. The next thing is the Murad Hydration Under Eye moisturizer. I am excited to have this. I've heard great things about this brand. I've seen them in the stores before, and I never bought them. This is step 3 of it, so I would imagine that the step 1 is the wash, step 2 is the toner. I might buy that just so I have the whole set, but it's good to have a little eye cream because even though I don't really get bags, I do get dry under here really fast, so this is going to be helpful. The last thing that I wish they had kept, and I probably will never use, is this English Laundry No. 7 body spray. Y'all, this smells, let's just say it's not for me. This is not a scent for me, but I'm going to keep it unless somebody wants it. It might work well for them. I'm just sensitive to smells, so I'm not.
So now,
on to the giveaway items. The first thing is a palette called Beauty Creations Cali Chic. This is the first palette, and I'm not going to open it, and the reason why is because I want it to be as brand new as possible when it gets to whoever wins it. But this is the first palette, and I'll read you the description on the website. It says, Cali Chic has the perfect amount of warm tones with pops of color. Made up of 5 mattes and 4 shimmers, this color scheme mimics a perfect summer day with the ability to take you from soft glam to full glam. This Cali Chic palette is a staple for anyone's collection. And I will put a picture of it here so you can see what it looks like. It's a really cute palette. It has a mirror, which is so clutch because some palettes don't have that. So that is the first palette that I'll be giving away. Then the next palette is a Crown Pro palette. I've seen this brand before. Again, I'm not going to open it because I want it to be as brand new as possible when you get it, but I will read the description of the palette now. This description says, made up of rich warm tone shades, this creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 5 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 5 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam goals. This one retails for $39.99. The Cali one retails, I believe, for $20. I'm sorry, $14.99. But what I have learned is that price does not necessarily make the difference when it comes to how pigmented a palette is, or how great it's going to show up on your skin. I think these are both really awesome palettes. But just like looking at these colors, I have them all already in the palettes that I have. But they're very beautiful. I think it would look great on medium to deep skin, but you could also use this for lighter skin too. And it's also just, they're also great palettes just to kind of play with different looks when you're at home. So here are the instructions on how to enter the giveaway. There are 2 different palettes. You can enter for both palettes. If the same person wins, the same person wins. I'm going to do a random shuffle app on my phone or my laptop. I'll figure that out. And all you have to do in the comment section of this video is put either your name or your Instagram handle so I can name you or say your name whenever you win. Also, I want to follow you on Instagram because that's where I am the most. So either drop your name or your Instagram handle. You can put both of them in the same line. I'm going to do 2 separate drawings. So either 2 people will win 1 each, or 1 person will win 2. The drawing is going to be on Saturday, 7 days from today. So the date for that is Saturday, May 30th. And I'm going to do it at 12 noon Central Time. The drawing will be in my Instagram stories, Conversations with Candace. Instagram stories, 12 noon, Saturday, the 30th of May, in the year of Black Jesus 2020. Okay? In the comments, just put your name or your Instagram handle so I can say it out loud and then I know how to find you. When you win, I will contact you and say, hey, how can I get this to you? I'm either going to ship it if you don't live in town. If you do live in town, I can bring it to you if you want, or I can ship it to you. I will ship it in padding. I will wipe everything down, make sure everything is clean, and I can ship it to you, no cost to you. All right? Thanks for watching this episode. I hope you enter the giveaway. Until next time, y'all have a good day.